Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stops to Watch. So this is first unboxing for the year 2025 and it just arrived today. I was a bit excited because this is something different. I bid on something different, not coin, not stamps, but it's something valuable, I guess. Especially this one can be make us a jewelry. Can be an earring, can be a necklace, can be even ring or bracelets. So, and this one is, I might say, it is abundant here in New Zealand. Well, mostly in the South Island actually, and I'm from the north. So I bid on this one. This is here we go. It's one of it. So this is a greenstone or Paunamu or what we call jade. So this is a jade stone. This is two of it. I have one in which is a like a surprise. What do you call that? It's like unboxing. You never know what you get. Uh, what is it called? Oh, okay, it's called what he called the mystery Quizzy Pressy. So it's something we don't know what's it wasn't shown what does it look like, but this is a jade stone, which is very ideal for like doing carvings and like I showed you in one of my video. I have a necklace that's made of jade, so this is one of it. And this one is yes, just a mystery quizzy pressy. So so I didn't see it on the bidding. I just actually bought this one. I didn't bid on it, but this other one I bid on it, and I fought hard for it because it's a big one. See, it's a very nice dark greenstone, and yeah, it is a big slab. What they call it? It's almost. It's actually 844 grams. Well, it's more than almost a kilo, a few hundreds of grams, and it'll be a kilo. It's just heavy, and it looks good. It's very dark. See, greenstone. I'll show you my uh, necklace that is made of greenstone. So, like this one, you see. So this is my necklace. It's a greenstone or Paunamu or Jade. Nice one. So it's very hard to make this one. You have to polish it. You have to shave it, and all those sort. So it's a very time consuming. I bought or a bid on this one because I'm planning on making a jade maybe jade necklace or something out of it. But I thought it's a big slab, so it's gonna be hard, and I don't wanna just have a practice on on this big. That's why I got this one. So it have a different. This is darker complexion than this, but you'll see the color once it's polished and be made as a jewelry or a pendant like this one. so it wouldn't show unless it's polished. But it's mostly green. Sometimes it's light green, sometimes it's yellowish. Oh, it's heavy, really. Here we go. Nice. So it's yeah, greenstone, jade, or paunamu in Maori language, and this is mostly exclusive in the South Island. You can have this or find it in rivers, but I don't think they give licenses to to just poach or get this in the rivers. You have to have a special license uh, in getting these things. This is like a national treasure, New Zealand, and yeah, nice one. So hopefully I make a nice necklace like this one. I'll show you even even it have a when once you put light on it, it have like a you can see what's inside. So that's see see that's what it will look like, See, and I like this. See, like a dragon. These two are like dragons. You can see it's like dragons fighting, like dragon fighting on the air, on the I mean on the space, flying. So that's how it will look like. Although it have different, like I said, different. See, oh no, you can see this one. It's too thick. If it's thinner, you can actually see, but it wouldn't be, no, can see it. It's too thick, and it's needs to be carved a little bit more thinner. Here you go. So yeah, that's what I have for today. Uh, Paunamu, Greenstone, or Jade. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for videos of coins and stamps. Thank you. I hope you all have a very good day, and of course, a happy New Year to everyone.